If you ever watched a video and you see a bunch of text that you really want to copy paste, but down in the description the text is nowhere to be found. Not on this video has a great description. I will just take this video as an example for the program. The program that I'm talking about is Frog, and the first thing, if you are allergic to telemetry like me, then you want to turn off this option. So here you have three options, and I wouldn't recommend to take a screenshot with Frog because there is no option to pick just a part of the screen, which means that you will have a lot of junk in your file when it's sort of translated. What I do is I take Spectacle just because it's installed by default with KDE, and here you can just choose the surface that you want to save as a screenshot, and then you can go and open image with Frog, and in a few seconds you will get something like this, which is this video copy pasted in a file. It won't be 100% accurate. As you can see, here is a plus, here is node instead of mod, and little things like that, but it's mostly okay. For instance, shadow offset, it's completely missed, but it's better than typing all by yourself. You just have to make some edits afterwards. If you are on NixOS, the package is called GNOME Frog, and on other distros you can get it on flathub. Right. So if you are lazy like me and you just need a quick tool to quickly transcribe everything from the video, you can use this program. And that's all.